Every successful ceiling project starts with one thing, an accurate estimate. Welcome to PrimeCost PRO.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a complete gypsum board ceiling estimate using PrimeCost PRO. From project setup to the final cost estimate, we'll guide you through every step. Click New Project and enter your project information, including the project name, client, location, and estimate date. These details will automatically appear in your estimate report. Next, input the ceiling dimensions. Enter the room length, width, ceiling height, and any additional information required by the project. PrimeCost PRO immediately prepares the calculation based on your inputs. Once all project information has been entered, PrimeCost PRO automatically computes all required materials. This includes gypsum boards, carrying channels, furring channels, wall angles, suspension clips, hanger wires, screws, joint compounds, tapes, and other installation accessories. PrimeCost PRO also calculates the estimated labor requirement based on your project size. Labor quantities and corresponding costs. If needed, simply update your material price database. PrimeCost PRO instantly recalculates the total project cost using your latest material prices. Review the complete estimate, including the bill of materials, quantity takeoff, labor cost, material cost, and total project cost. Everything is presented in a professional format that's ready for printing or submission. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More estimating tutorials are coming soon.